How to see Flipkart gift cards account balance. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see Flipkart gift cards account balance. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch the Flipkart application or website to you on your device. Now you have to make sure to log into your account. Go to My Account section at bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, then you have to go to My Account. After that, check for or select My Cards and Wallet. Simply for that, you have to scroll down and then tap My Cards and Wallet. In this section, you should see the balance for any active gift cards linked to your account. That is how you can easily see Flipkart gift card account balance. If you don't see a balance, it may mean you need to add or link a gift card. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.